it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Give you another reaction? Yeah, laugh from now, cause here. Today, guys, we're with Deva Bratt. Who sent them? It's an Empire this. Empire, not Gaza, I know. Empire this. So from them time to the man of this get Empire. I know that one, I got cause a problem in the comment section, you know. You know, the comment section, I got go mad now, you know. You know, see, I be a sucker mad, I got drop down in the comment section, you know. And I be a things, but here what? You know, so I don't care. You know, so I go react to it, though. Yeah, man, I go react. Yo! I'm music, I love over here, so I love man. Hear that? So I can jump in that one and here, everybody, I get this. Yo! I can jump in that one and here, everybody, I get this. By Deva Bratt. Who sent them? Empire this. Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Evil children have to die. Better go spill them. Okay. Hey, when gunshot blaze, I'm played like praise. Not devil from hell can raise. In your grave, think you're big bad and brave. Me take the war to a different stage. Boss afraid fi take a gunshot or take a one slice from a blade. People them pass them planes, so them get the rise. Don't believe in a God's up down, so you're great. Sit up here, who them send? Let me sue them then. Execute, electrocute them then. Me shoot the recruit and the student. Then we make the evil freak. We a full press them.
Yo, the man said him shoot the student them and the basically him shoot the little one them with their own. The teacher. Him never class him as a teacher still. Him said the freak, something.
Execute them then. Me shoot the recruit and the student. Then we make the evil freak. We a full press them.
Make the evil freak. Yeah.
Execute them then. Me shoot the recruit and the student. Then we make the evil freak. We a full press them. Blood spew, a lot of fly through flesh then. Colombian necktie, tongue through neck then. When me cruise with the pussy make the news take them. Can them a bigger cocksucker than Lisa? I try this.
The one said I'm a bigger cocksucker than Lisa. Yo, when you see why Cartel don't like Deva Bratt, and them thing, yeah. This is some of the reason why Cartel do not like Deva Bratt. And they will never be good. Why should they be good? They will never be friends. They will never be friends.
When me cruise with the pussy make the news take them. Can them a bigger cocksucker than Lisa? I try this. Deva Bratt a who? No rhino. Him a cartel shot black bitch.
Me telling you now. Me bumbo clad tell you though. See it here. You hear him say? Who want try this Deva Bratt? Now who? A black rhino. Him a cartel shot black bitch. Me telling you now. When I go vex him today, ready?
Gunshot blaze, I'm played like praise. No devil from hell can raise. Think you're big bad and brave. Me take the war to a different stage. Boss afraid fi take a gunshot or take a one slice from a blade. When them pass them planes, so them get the rise. Don't believe in
ready.
Watch out. Up here, who them send? Let me sue them then. Execute, electrocute them then. Me shoot the recruit and the student. Then we make the evil freak. We a full press them. Blood spew, a lot of fly through flesh. Colombian necktie, tongue through neck then. When me cruise with the pussy make the news take them. Can them a bigger cocksucker than Lisa? I try this. Deva Bratt a who? No rhino. Him a cartel shot black bitch.
Yes.
See the youth, your boss in bad mind you. I whine you and turn you in a beating stick.
See the youth, your boss in bad mind you and I whine you and turn you in a beating stick. Yo.
Shot black bitch. See the youth, your boss in bad mind you. I whine you and turn you in a beating stick. Be empty the clip, you can them can't find you. Look if them find piece of your body in a ditch. Not even Lisa I get fi shine you. I'm sure she know fi suck dick.
Not even Lisa hype. Yo, let me tell you, everybody I get it, you know. Everybody I get it. You think him start yet? Watch ya.
I whine you and turn you in a beating stick.
Watch
The
out.
empty the clip, you gone, them can't find you. Look if them find piece of your body in a ditch. Not even Lisa, I get fish shine you. I'm sure she know if it's so deep. What will the lobster as I try to remind you? Punch boy face and make grills flick.
What the lobster as a try to remind you? Punch boy face and make grill flick. So this him a talk about the fight where him and Munga did have on stage when him conk. When somebody get conk with the mic. I can't remember who get conk with mic still, but yeah. That time I talk about lobster ass, gangster ass and Munga. I talk about lobster ass. Let's go.
If it's so deep, what will the lobster as I try to remind you? Punch boy face and make grills flick. Fucking cheap, run cartel from behind you. Arena your body, my gosh, shook you with the brick.
I'm telling you, the Gaza people are going to beat me, you know, I don't care, no dog. The man say, fucking shit, run cartel from behind you. Or see that you're back him. Well, I don't want to misquote him, listen to him say.
I'm sure she know if it's so deep. What will the lobster as I try to remind you? Punch boy face and make grills flick. Fucking cheap, run cartel from behind you. Arena your body, my gosh, shook you with the brick. Them
Fucking shit, run cartel from behind you. Alright, so now your body, I'm going to choke you with the prick. Wanna see why? Wanna see why they don't like him? Wanna see why nobody can stand Deva Bratt? Wanna see why they take Deva Bratt for pussy? Cause of them thing, your dog. Never. I them thing I make them don't like you, bro. I'm telling you, that why they're different to the dog. From the start, I know.
I'm sure she know if it's so deep. What will the lobster as I try to remind you? Punch boy face and make grills flick.
Yo.
Fucking cheap, run cartel from behind you. Arena your body, my gosh, shook you with the brick. Them catch popcorn, I will be a with kind. Yes, sir. In a toaster, medicine cheese.
They catch popcorn and all. Yo, I'm telling you, this everybody in the dog. The man this everybody. Them catch popcorn and beard with kind.
With the brick, them catch popcorn, I will be a with kind. Yes, sir. In a toaster, medicine cheese. Another picture with somebody sucking a cock, but a black rhino in on the pic.
Another picture with somebody sucking a cock, but a black rhino in the pic. Remember the picture we found out with Lisa Hype? The cock in her mouth. So they must say, yo, another picture found again. Another picture found again, but this time it's not Lisa Hype, a black rhino. Yo, I tell you that you taste, man.
Gunshot blaze, in a melody like phrase. No devil from hell can raise. Dig your grave, dig them big bad and brave. Me take the part to a different stage. Boss prayed, afraid fi take a gunshot or take a one slice from a blade. The boy them pass and play, so them get erased. Them no believe in a God, so don't send no grave. Is there anyone listening the track with credit and shot? They get call rock a shanty, make a quick call cause.
Man say, is there anybody else missing? Who else forget it? Who else forget it, dog? Talk, no, man.
A one slice from a blade. The boy them pass and play, so them get erased. Them no believe in a God, so don't send no grave. Is there anyone listening the track with credit and shot? They get call rock a shanty, make a quick call cause. Vibes cartel at the 90 tongue ring on. He matter about a when you mother push it in.
Man say Vibes cartel and deny the tongue ring. Remember say even Bunty did talk about the tongue ring. Cartel. This a cartel reply. Cartel. The tongue gonna say something in your mouth. One to him brain. Tongue got the eyeglass, you know. All them songs, them if you react to them songs, you know. Yo.
We give you the Obia ring call. And then float to head and go in. Me stick a finger press the best brr like ping ball. My name, he make him free kick it call. Up here who them send, let me sue them then. Execute them then. Me shoot the recruit and the student. Then we make the evil freak. We a full press them. Blood spew, a lot of fly through flesh then. Colombian necktie, tongue through neck then. When me cruise with the pussy, make the news take them. And them a bigger cocksucker, Felisa, I them. Shot blaze, in a melody like phrase. No devil from hell can raise. Dig your grave. Them big bad and brave, me take the war to a different stage. Stage, brave, take a gunshot or take a one slice from a blade. The boy them pass and play, so them get erased. Them no believe in a God, so don't send no grace. Gunshot blaze, in a melody like phrase. No devil from hell can raise. Dig your grave, them big bad and brave, me take the war to a different stage. Brave, take a gunshot or take a one slice from a blade. The boy them pass and play, so them get erased. Them no believe in a God, so don't send no grace. Is there anyone?
Yo, I'm telling you, telling you, say, man, this is the whole empire, dog, and me know, said Gaza people, them not go happy about this in the comment section, but music we react to, bro. The music is on YouTube. I'm just bringing them to the forefront for now. To remind you know of the caliber artist that this guy is, that Deva Bratt is. That was, he still is, cause he's still alive. So the G still have them capability of it go up against any artist, bro, lyrically, bro. You see me? The G not him not play dark, him not play. In dangerous, bro. In dangerous. The dangerous coat. That's why they don't like him. Shit like this, them not gonna like him, bro. Them can't gonna like him. Cause them thing away must say the man say fagging she. The man change Javinci name to faggot. Yo. Can't deal with that. Can't deal with that. He say, yeah, right now, yeah, man. But let me know still. I wanna ask your reaction them, so I go with them in, bro. You see me? Yes. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Deva Bratt. Big up Crucial Conflict also. And I'll catch you guys on the next one for real, for real.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.